careful when customizing gestures. Since iPhone X no longer has a home button, users will have to interact with this device, more than ever, with gestures only. When you touch the screen with your fingers, the user goes to the main menu or to the multifunction mode. In addition, when the home indicator is moved to the left or right, the user can switch between open applications in multifunction mode. To go to the notification section or to the control center, simply pull the screen down. The games can be provided for their own special gestures, cancelling the standard iOS gestures. You can also set your own gestures and edge protect the features of the new iPhone, thanks to which you can set your own unique gestures on top of the gestures standard for iOS, however, only once. However, use this feature in such a way that your application does not seem to users too complex. Face ID. In previous versions of the iPhone, there was an excellent feature called Touch ID, which enabled users to unlock their devices, and also set the password for certain apps that they unlocked with their fingerprints. This sensor was placed in the Home button. Since such a function is no longer in the iPhone X, the developers of Apple decided to present their fans with a more secure and effective replacement, Face ID. To create such a feature, developers use truly astounding algorithms, through which the device determines the features of its owner. Undoubtedly, this feature will bring a lot of new things to the application interface. Try to use this innovation when working with your not distressed customers, happy owners of the iPhone X. Also, try not to refer to the Touch ID in the menu of your application. Replace it with a Face ID. Custom keyboard. When developing a custom keyboard, you no longer need to specifically add emoji buttons, as well as buttons for dictation. They are already automatically added at the bottom of the keyboard, next to the home indicator. Increased navigation bar. With the release of iOS 11, the design of the original navigation bar has undergone some changes. For example, the latter has become longer. This innovation will be perfectly combined with a longer, in comparison with its predecessors, the iPhone X and a new status line. So consider all this while developing the next application and its design. In addition, for the new navigation bar was added a feature that shows images during scrolling.